You need some help. Oh, it's gonna come off fitting or what?
Yeah, it's off, but
It's off or not off? Okay.
probably should just train this one.
So what's the problem now? It's still on to me. What's off? You play it, you got one side not leaking, but the other side still pours out, right?
Look at a cigarette.
Sure. Throw a little bit of gas on the floor, so you got it. Well, this new coil's got a clean with gas. Should be good now. Nice and clean. Your air nozzle that. No air nozzle over here. Over there already. Where you hide your air nozzles? Where's your air nozzles hidden? The blowers. Yeah. See it over there. That is not much airline pressure. That's 100 pounds of air pressure? I'm not used to these low air block pressure. This sucks. This is not 160 pounds. I'll tell you that right now. What do you need? Okay, once you get out of there, let me blow this off a little bit. Stand off side, Luke. A lot of raw fuel up in there. Over here. That feel good? If now I got that plastic one back here, the gallon. Alright, let's get rid of some of the fire hazard.
Alright. I'm down. Let's doing this like I was doing my tin can. We should probably just drain this fucker.
Yes, gotta drain it.
Alright, so we'll pull that. I can probably just pull this and drain it right into that bucket.
Good. Okay,
Oh, we have more than a gallon in there.
we're gonna rehook up that fuel line. Take it off the carb.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off the carb, pull it through. Just turned off, so it should be in good shape there.
It's not even connected right now, sir. Hold on, hold on. There's a leak over here. Float bowl is full. Float bowl was full.
What am I thinking now? Oh, you fuck. I didn't realize you fucking disconnected.
I just told you it was disconnected. It was.
What the fuck?
You don't listen.
Why'd we pull it there? Because we're gonna take the tank off.
Because it's not a connected tank anymore. Where's the clamp came from? I was working on it the last 20 minutes.
What the fucking shit show.
This is not how you take a tank off.
It is not. It is absolutely not. It's a big fail.
We could have done better. Oh well. We did have a good opportunity to clean the motor off though. There is some grease on there somewhere. I found some. Okay, did you put the fuel line back on?
I'm working on it.
Here's the clamp right here that came off the top. Just to repair it. See, now you can put it on here on the outside and dump in the container easier too. Got a lot of gas when you had the door wide open. Smells like somebody dumped half a gallon of fuel. It was that bad. Who did that? Try this again?
Let's do this.
No reason to edit this video down any. It's good.
We show it all.
Yeah.
The good, the bad, the ugly. Alright.
It is what it is. Good thing I had
This
that.
would have been so much easier to start here.
Good thing I had that clean jug sitting there.
Like, I'm so used to pulling that twin cam and it pull it right off, and it's
Yeah,
so much tighter up in there.
Don't trust that
That
jug
wasn't
to
gonna
stay on that
happen.
foot. Gets fall over. Just it gets just half the jug.
I'll just take a gasoline bath, more than I have already.
It's going to go into the floor.
Good thing you've been drinking a lot of milk.
Why I can't absorb the gas?
We might need another.
Well, because I had a jug. The other jug's only half empty. I just started on it yesterday.
We could give you like a 1-to-1 mix.
There you go.
And then milk
High
out a
octane.
little bit.
Put some high octane in my milk.
I mean, it's whole milk, you know, just thin it a little.
Yeah. Perfect. Pretty good flow. That's got good flow of that petcock.
Pingle. No.
No, it's
Sorry.
a Golan. That's a Golan.
Golden.
That is a Golan petcock.
I like it a lot. I like how
Oh, I go to filament and it just peters right out like
That's
there's nothing
it.
in it. You on reserve? Yeah, you're on reserve. Oh, geez. I went on to show a good flow. It's already done. But look, how many gallons per hour was that?
She's wrong. She's wrong. She wants.
That was a good 45 gallons per hour because that was a good minute test. It's filled up that jug pretty far. Let's see, 2 minutes to a gallon equates to how many gallons per hour?
Nothing like starting out the hard way. You know what I mean?
If you got 2 gallons per minute, or 2 minutes per gallon, how many gallons per hour of fuel flow do you have?
2 times 60, 120.
No,
2 gallons per minute.
2 minutes per gallon.
2 minutes per gallon.
That's 30 gallons per hour.
Going the opposite way.
You know what an electric fuel pump puts out? The old pulse pumps they used to have back in the day? Those little rectangular fuckers?
Before my time.
34 gallons per hour with a fuel pump.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, on my race bike, I took off I didn't have enough fuel volume, so I took off the gravity system, put the fuel pump on it, wired all that shit in, hooked it all up. It went slower.
just gravity?
It ran out fuel even faster than it did with the fucking fuel, just the hose connected to it. So the next pass, the pump was disconnected.
How does that make you feel about your purchase?
Then I started calculating fuel volumes and not going by what you think works. Then you find out what really happens.
You hand me that gas jug there.
You got more fuel coming out now?
Coming over the left side, we will.
I don't know how you're gonna get it in there though, but. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Let me lean a little bit for you, leaning slightly. Oh, it's just more fuel on that side of the bike. Now that doesn't look like it has the same gusto as the other side, so. Smaller fitting. I'm thinking that's gonna be 30%, 50% worse. We'll drop that one down to 15 gallons per hour. Maybe 20. It's a lot of fuel on the other side of that too.
It is, right?
What the hell good is the tank if you can't use half a
Can't get
gallon
it over
fuel?
there.
And the tank's sitting
Oh,
flat.
it's because this is the crossover.
It doesn't matter, the petcock's supposed to, it's supposed to get you fuel. Obviously, half that tank doesn't do anything.
We're gonna run out of room here.
Just put a bolt in it. You asked me your hardware was before? Where's your hardware at?
Right here.
I'm gonna put this outside. This is not a drinking bottle. It's not a piss test bottle either. Up here, this one?
Yep. I think I separated bolts and nuts before, so we'll do the other one.
This one? Looking for a 3/8 bolt. That's good. Got 3/8 or 5/16 hose you got up there? Must be 5/16 hose. No, this one. I'll trade you. Must have been 1/4 inch line you used there instead of the big stuff.
Alright. 1 hour later, I'm soaked in gasoline.
Oh, is that how it works? The motor's all full of work stuff too. Clean up aisle number 3. Smells different in California gas.
Really? It smells cheaper?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it smells like the same crap. Same stinky ass crap. Get your foot out of the way, let me go. Got gas all over your foot. Okay, you can stuck up there. More rags. I think you got a whole roll of those, we need them. You should put a roll of those Walmart ones up there like I use. It only better these things. Alright, what are you waiting for? You gotta pull a gas line off your motor? No.
Definitely gotta come off there.
What's coming off? Fuel line?
My little nubber I put over here.
You got a number up there?
To stop the gusher that
Oh.
didn't really get stopped at all.
The gusher that was be minimal mess. It is a minimal mess. It only took 5 towels. And probably one more on the floor. Ew, the fumes are kind of heavy up under here.
Still got gas in this fucking thing.
It's still gonna make a leak. Would you take the bolt out of the hose?
so tight, I don't want to come off even with that.
What's up? Okay, slow down and get a feel. You got a cable up here. Hold on. What, you got a clamp up under there? Something up under there.
Fucking wiring.
Okay, those are disconnected. Okay, hold the tank. Okay, hold the tank. You got it?
Yep.
It's got a clip under there. Holding the fuel lines, or the throttle lines on. You trust that not to fall? I don't want to trust that for 5 seconds. Let's go put it out there in the dirt out there in the yard. Let it just naturally. Oh, it's puking its guts out. Just lay it on the field there. Just let it do what it wants out there.
All right.
Oh, look how nice. That cleaned the floor real nice. Look at that. That's good floor cleaner. Look at that. Took that white right off. That's good floor cleaner. Okay, that is how to take a fuel tank off of an FXR. Or maybe not.
Maybe not.
There you go. Let me take some more mess. We'll be back.